if you're What's up, you guys? It's the last day of 2020. Finally, right? 2020 for me personally has been about changing my perspective, getting out of my comfort zone, and trying things in a different way. Tell me how your 2020 was in the comments below. I hope 2021 brings you so many new opportunities, new experiences, and you are able to enjoy even more in 2021. We all know how incredibly challenging 2020 was, and with the new wave of COVID-20 on the rise, who knows what 2021 is going to bring for us. But that does not mean that we sit around and wait for all this madness to get over. I know some businesses have done extremely well in 2020 and some struggled to survive. We've had mental health challenges, financial challenges. It's been hard keeping it together because of the global pandemic. Let's make 2021 the year we enjoy and not necessarily just hustle. Make 2021 the year of growth. I know it's the long-awaited fresh start we all need. There's a free guide waiting for you in the description to help you set up your goals, so make sure you check it out. Now, if you're new around here, this channel is all about business, mindset, spirituality, and my journey as an entrepreneur. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every single time I post a new video. Coming back to the video, in this video I talk about why set goals and not resolutions. How to set goals and actually achieve them in 2021. I used to make resolutions like everyone else and then a month in forgetting about them completely. How many of you over the years have set a resolution to start working out on January 1st and have actually stuck to it? Did you know only 8% people actually stay committed to their resolutions and actually accomplish them? Resolutions are more like dreams than goals. Now, one of the reasons I don't believe in setting resolutions because we have this mindset that the resolutions are meant to be broken. You don't need January 1st to start a new life, start new habits, or set new goals. Any day of the year is equally good. If you find yourself setting the same resolutions year after year, I think it's time to try something different. Today we're going to talk about the goals that you actually want to stick to in 2021. Organize, strategize, and don't forget to prioritize yourself in 2021. I don't set resolutions, I set goals for the entire next year by December 31st and what I need to do and put into practice to achieve these goals. Why set goals and not resolutions? Because resolutions are vague and goals are specific. Goals are much more actionable and easier to achieve. It shifts the way you view setting and achieving goals altogether. Are you ready to make 2021 your year? I want to hear a loud yes in the comments below. Let's ace 2021 together. Let's get into the video. Now, how to set goals? Now, the first thing you want to keep in mind is what do you want to focus on in the new year? What is it that is going to make you feel happy and fulfilled by the end of 2021? Instead of making a list of 100 things that you want to achieve in 2021, make a list of 4 to 5 big things. You are setting yourself up for failure if you try to accomplish so much in a year. It will only make you feel depressed and unsuccessful when you are not able to take those 100 things off your list. You don't need to put so much pressure on yourself, especially if you could not do much in 2020, but hey, we survived 2020 and that is an achievement in itself. You can have a separate list of goals for your life, for your business, for your personal growth, your health. Maybe you want to focus on enjoying more this year because let's face it, 2020 was hard. We could not go out and there's only so much you can do around your house. So your focus can be going out, networking, partying if the government allows us to. Maybe you want to travel, and did you hear Maldives is the new banana bread? Maybe you want to focus on personal development, join new courses, learn more. For me, 2021 is going to be all about networking, growing my YouTube and my business. Personally, I think I'm on the right track with my life-changing habits, which I spoke about in this video. I'll link it in the description. So they are going to continue. So pick something that you're going to put most of your focus on. Maybe you want to get fit, get healthy. So your focus will be on eating healthy, working out. Get clear on what you want to achieve in 2021. Why is it important for you and how you're going to achieve it. You can create a theme for the year. What do you want more of in 2021? Maybe you want to travel, enjoy what you do. My theme is to have more fun in whatever I do. It's not like I do not have fun already in what I do, but I want to have more fun. Be it work, YouTube, a little more fun would not hurt anybody. An important tip here is to set challenging goals to keep you motivated. If your goals are too easy, you're gonna get bored. Set goals that are just beyond your reach. But you also need to make sure that your goals are not far far beyond your reach. Find your sweet spot. Another important tip is framing your goals positively. When you're writing down your goals, it's important that you frame them positively and not negatively. That way, you're focusing on what you want to do and not what you don't want to do. If you're trying to get fit, don't write, I'm going to avoid pizza in 2021. Instead, focus on, I'm going to enjoy pizza once a week or every 15 days. That way, you're focusing on positive instead of negative, and that's going to have a dramatic impact on your motivation. Now, the next part is how to achieve goals. And the next step is create an action plan. It's common to feel overwhelmed when you set huge goals for yourself, and it's easy to give up. So you need to create a system that is going to work for you. And the best way to do that is to break all your bigger goals into smaller tasks. This is where you create your action plan, which is the next step. An action plan is basically a checklist of all the steps you need to complete to accomplish the goal you've set for yourself. Things that you're going to do on a day-to-day basis that are going to take you closer to your goals. Brainstorm what you need to do to achieve your goal. Take something broad and break it down. Now, say if you want to make more money in 2021, how are you going to make more money in 2021? I would invest more in my business, invest more in marketing my business, and that is going to bring in more sales and more money. I can invest in stocks, mutual funds, cryptocurrency, and I'm no way suggesting you to do that. Do your research before you invest in anything. Think of ways you can make more money. Now, if you have a financial goal of saving so and so amount by the end of 2021, now you have to ask yourself, how much do you have to earn per month, per week, and how much do you have to put away to hit that financial goal? And it's so important to set deadlines, because a goal without a deadline is just a dream. The more specific you are when you break down your goals, the easier it is going to be for you to achieve your goals. Breaking down your goals makes it easier for you to track your goals and stay focused. The reason people lose their focus and not follow through their resolutions is because the larger, broader goal is unmanageable. Breaking it down makes it manageable. Choose 2 to 3 goals that you want to focus on so you don't overwhelm yourself. Check in weekly to track your progress and make changes if necessary. The key to achieving your goals is consistency. I cannot stress this enough. I know life gets in the way, but 95% of the times you will be on track. Brainstorm what you're going to do when one way is not working for you. Change it quickly so you can stay on track. That way, if you're feeling uninspired or stagnant, you already have an action plan. Write down what you're going to do to feel inspired and continue on your journey. Put in the work consistently and not sporadically. Keep putting in the work till you get where you want to get. Make sure you write down your goals somewhere you can see them on daily basis so you don't forget about them. Another important tip is to make a routine. Making your goals a part of your routine is the easiest way to remind yourself of your goals and achieve them. This is going to keep you on track and accountable. Make it a part of your daily routine. Look at your goals every single morning. It keeps you motivated to keep working towards your goals. It gives you a reason to get out of bed every morning with a purpose. And one of the easiest ways is to either have a whiteboard in your room, or if you've written down your goals on a notebook, keep your notebook on the bedside so you can quickly go through your goals every morning. It's such a powerful exercise to get instant motivation. And why you're working towards a goal is very important. To keep yourself motivated to achieve those huge goals you've set for yourself is to be clear on why you want to achieve them. And that's enough to keep you inspired on days you don't feel like getting out of bed. So ask yourself why you want to achieve a certain goal. Now, each person is different and we all have our own ways to achieve goals. So sit down and ask yourself, what did you do last time that made you achieve a certain goal? Were you consistent? Were you organized? Did you track your progress? What process made it easier for you to stick to your goals and achieve them? Sometimes incentives, rewards work for you, and sometimes it's just the sheer pleasure of pursuing your goals that you don't even feel like you're working hard towards them. You have to set measurable goals. If your goals are detailed and measurable, they are more likely to improve your performance than vague or do your best goals. Now let's talk about accountability. Now, one of the key ways to keep yourself accountable is to make a public announcement of your goals. I've done it a lot of times, and you really get the work done if you've told people about it. Like launching a new collection on so and so date, and even if you don't feel like working, you know you have to do it. Now, if you're not comfortable with a public announcement, you can tell a few close people about it. Tell them your deadlines and what your goals are. Make them your accountability partner through the entire process. Make sure it's someone who can be honest with you and they can motivate you when the going gets tough. You can even vlog about your goals and document your entire journey, and it's going to keep you motivated and such a fun way to hold yourself accountable. Now let's get your goals out of your head. Comment them down below. What are your goals for 2021? What's your biggest goal for 2021? I swear I'm the biggest cheerleader ever. I love it when people follow through their goals. So spend some time reflecting what you want to achieve in 2021 and in life. Use this time to reflect on what you've achieved over the years. I hope I've convinced you to set goals and not resolutions. In the end, I just want to say we don't know what 2021 is going to bring for us, but make sure you don't give up. Keep going, keep striving until you've reached where you want to reach. And I wish you all a very happy new year. And of course, don't forget to like if you want me to make more such videos for you. Share this with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in 2021. Now, if you're... I got scared. That was just a notification.